Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm in a hotel room actually. I'm in California right now for my garage meetup tour and I decided to film a video here because first of all, this lighting is so good. I've always wanted to do a video kind of like this. I've been obsessed with watching the Glossier videos on their channel of like people getting ready and doing their makeup and stuff, so I really wanted to do one of those right now because today I'm going to be showing you my everyday summer glowy makeup routine. Oh my gosh, I'm so stopped up. And just what I like to do whenever I wear makeup in the summer. I don't wear makeup every single day, but when I do, this is what I like to do. And I'm all about that glow look. You guys know that already. And let's get started. Here is my makeup bag. It's Glossier, obviously. If you guys didn't know, I'm obsessed with Glossier. It's literally my favorite makeup brand, no joke. It's not sponsored, I'm telling you, I love Glossier. First, we're using this Glossier skin tint. I'm using the color medium, and I'm not really sure if it does that much, but I feel like it does give you this extra little dewy glow look and kind of evens out your skin tone. And then the cool thing about this is you don't need a brush, you can just rub it in with your fingers. Also just feels super nice and light and soft under skin, so I really like putting this on. It feels so good. And it doesn't have full coverage, clearly, but I feel like it does kind of set your face for putting on some more makeup, and it's just fun, okay? Look at that little bottle, that's so cute. Next, I will take my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. I usually just apply it underneath my eyes because sometimes have some darkness under there. I will also just apply it on some blemishes and red spots on my face. Try not to put too much because I like to let my skin breathe as much as possible. And I will just blend it out. I got sunburned yesterday. I should add a little more on my nose because got a little sun-kissed right there. Voila! Now, I'm actually gonna put my hair up because it's kind of so I don't do this every single day, but I do like to take my Hoola bronzer by Benefit sometimes if I'm feeling a little bronzy. So today I'm gonna do that. So I'm just gonna take this It Cosmetics fluffier brush. It's the airbrush powders. It's just a brush like this. All I'm gonna do is just kind of put it on right there, like kind of like a contour spot, but not really. Also kind of on my jawline a little bit, and then sometimes I'll just put a little bit up here on my forehead just to give me a little bit of a bronzed glow, you know what I mean? There we go. Then I take my Glossier Cloud Paint in the color Puff. It's this really pretty pink color. I'm thinking about getting one of their other colors. I think I'm going to the Glossier store tomorrow, which I'm so excited about that. It's in LA and I have to go, like you don't understand. So I just take like that much and just kind of like apply it on my cheekbones, and then I'll just kind of blend it out with my fingers and just add a little bit of rosy cheeks and color to your face, which I really like. Okay, this is my favorite part of the makeup routine. I will either take my Glossier Hollow Scope highlighter or my RMS Beauty Living Luminizer. Both of these products are so great for getting that inner glow that kind of radiates out. I love highlight, but I'm not really into the whole glitter highlighter thing. I like that for special occasions, but on a daily thing, I like highlight that just makes you look like you're glowing and not sparkly, but just glowy, kind of dewy, almost wet skin. I love that so much. Both of these are amazing. No, they're both amazing. My throat is so mucusy. I'll probably cut that part out of the video. Today I'm going to use the Glossier one because I've been using this more lately. I do have to say the Glossier one is cheaper, so you know, all I'll do is just apply it right up here and kind of bring it down on my cheekbone a little bit. Then I'll just blend it out a little bit with my fingers, and it just looks so good. It really gives you a glow. Look at that. I love it. Then I will also apply some on the bridge of my nose and also the tip. And the last place I like to put this is on my Cupid's bow on my lip. That's that. Okay, so I don't like to wear eyeshadow that much, but I do sometimes like to add on this Glossier Lid Star. It's so good. It just gives kind of like a subtle shimmer on your eyes. It's really easy. You just kind of apply it and dot it in. It really like doesn't do that much, but I kind of like how it brightens your eyelids a little bit. Just adds a tiny bit of shimmer. I have been using my Glossier Boy Brow to do my brows in the color Blonde. So it's the easiest thing in the world to do. I'm not good at doing brows. I'm not an expert at all. And whenever I've used other products, I feel like it would just look like it was drawn on. So that's why I like the Boy Brow. Literally all my products are from Glossier. I wish this was sponsored. It's like one of my dream companies to work with. That would be so cool. But all you do is literally just take the brush and apply it to your brows. So easy. Just thickens your brows and it just makes them look more defined and bold, but still natural. And I just love that. That looks pretty good. Now let's do the other one better. There we go. Brows are complete. What is next? Ooh, mascara. It just completes the look. When the lashes are long, you just look put together, you know what I mean? So first, I'm just curling my lashes. I don't do this every single day, but I'm feeling it today. Then I'm taking my Glossier Lash Slick. Yes, surprise, surprise, another Glossier product, but I'm telling you, it's that good. This is the best mascara I've used actually ever. I'm not just saying that. It just makes your lashes look natural and not all clumpy. It lasts all day. It comes off really easily. It's just everything you could want in a mascara. Some days I'm not feeling makeup, but I still want to look a little like I'm more awake. I'll just put on some mascara because if your lashes and eyes look awake, sometimes that's like all you need, you know what I mean? I mean, you obviously don't need makeup, but like if you just want to look a little more awake, just try putting on like a coat or two of mascara and it'll make a difference. Let me know if you guys want to see a waterproof makeup tutorial for the summer because I would happily do one of those and like test it out in the pool for you. Okay, so this is my favorite, one of my favorite Glossier products. It is the birthdaybalm.com. It's like a skin salve, but I only use it on my lips. They have different flavors in this, but the birthday one is just so good. It tastes good, it feels good, it smells good. It's actually like a really good chapstick too. And it just adds a little glossy layer. I love it. But if I'm feeling a little more glossy, I'll take my Glossier lip gloss. And voila, there is the makeup. Cute. So that is it for my summer makeup routine. Basically everything's Glossier. I'm sorry about that, it's just what I use. As you can see, it's super easy and fresh and natural and just glowy, dewy, all that kind of stuff. I actually like really enjoy putting on my makeup every morning because it's kind of relaxing and it's just fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below and subscribe. I just said that. And click the notification bell because I try to post twice a week and I'm loving it so far. Also, please go follow me on Instagram. I've been posting so much and really working hard over there, so I mean a lot of you guys would go check that out. And you can see like a bunch of other stuff that I do that I don't post on YouTube. And I'm gonna go because I'm gonna go get some breakfast with my dad. We're in California, we're gonna enjoy this, and then I have a meetup later today. So yeah, thanks again for watching. I love you guys so much and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.